Alright, data item description and form office management budget 07040188. Alright, depot maintenance production report identification number DIALSS 8072AA. Alright, description purpose 3.1. The depot maintenance production reports is two-port report which provides the government with a monthly maintenance production figure status as assets of the contracted facility, anticipated production for the next month, and a summary of the unresolved problems at the end of the report period. Approval date period was 97th of the January 24th. The office primary responsibility FAF AMC FM DTIC and Giddy up applicable not marked. Application in relation to the data of the item description contained with the format, content, preparation, instruct with the data of the product generated with the specifically discrete task requirements is delineated in the contract. The kind of item instruction may be used at any of the depot level of the maintenance contract. Data item description supersedes the data item description DILS 0728, and this is the A version. Approved limitation not marked. A applicable forms the AFMC Form 113, FS 2225. Alright, content format. 10.1 Content format. The report shall be used with the Air Force Material Command Form 413 Depot Maintenance Production Report. The report shall consist of the two parts containing the data as follows. The part 1 of the day of the year and the month of the day and the applicable to the report data must be through the end of the month. Block 1 Air Force Management Code, Federal Supply Code, and the Material Management Code when applicable or where appropriate. Block 2 Contract Activities Codes, AACs, the name of the business, the DoD Activity Address Code, AAC, assigned to you in the shipping material, the bill, Block 3 containing track number, Block 4 Item Manager Air Logistics Center, Item Manager Air Logistics Center, IMALC, applicable account code for the Air Logistics Center. Block 5 Contracting Air Logistics Center of the Air Force Material Command. Procuring agency, the designated of the agency award with the contract. Block 6 Contract Administrator off the designated with the contracting administrative office. 8 Column A identification number, the national stock number of the item being reported. Column B column number, when the awarded contract is called, the order type. Distribution statement, approved for public release, distribution is unlimited. Block 10, preparation instructions continue. This is applicable call number of the item of the awarded with no more than one call is then repeated with the call until complete with the current report. Completes the call with the word completed in the blank block. Column C or ELIN, contract exhibited line and item number assigned to the national stock number in the contract. Column D, quantity of the contractor call with the D1 quantity, end of the items required with each of the call with the contract quantity where the calls do not apply with the D number DH2. It is used in quantity scheduled with the repair during quarter included with the report month D3. If the quantity scheduled with the report cumulative to the date. Column E, desire repairable to received. Number of the repairable items received for the repair. E1 quantity of the repairables received during the report month. E2 is the quantity of the repairables received cumulative of the start of the contract through repair month. Column F, quantity introduced into work, quantity introduced to the work during the report monthly. Column G, quantity produced, the quantity produced during the month. Column H, serviceability and shipping. Serviceability ship for the repair facility of the H1 service ship through the report month. H2 is service ship cumulative with the starting of the contract. Column I, service on hand with the quantity of the repairables hand awaiting an input condemnation. Column J, repairables on hand, the number of repairables hand awaiting the input condemnation. Column K, repairables shipped. Repairables shipped during the report month. Column L, quantified condemned. Quantity condemned. L1 is the quantity of the condemned during the report month. L2 is the quantity condemned cumulative with the start of the contract. Column M, forecast to the into work, the number of the items scheduled for the input to the work during the next month. Column N, forecast to complete the quantity of the items scheduled to be completed next month. Part 2, production phase of the report shall contain second part of the narrative format, which shall be attached for the Air Force Material Command Forms 413. This part is required. Previous report production forecast was not shipped. Current forecast is not equal contract schedule quantity. Contract anticipates problem in the near future. And this was page 2 and 1 and 2 of the Department of Maintenance Production Report. One of the main things we're going to have to look up here is the AFMC Form 113. Well, that completes that tape.